enough pressure, and this is my circuit in darkness. This is the darkest my room gets. I could turn that off and it would be darker, and this, but I realized that if I could do that, but then I wouldn't be able to work. So I kept these on, but this is the darkest I got my room to for my cutoff value, right? And I realized the cutoff value is basically how dark the room has to be for the bulb to actually light up. And I realized that the 876 default was perfect for me because the bulb will light up perfectly. When I kept trying to increase it even a bit, it will start flickering, and eventually if it's too much, it would not turn on because the room has to be darker. So right now, as you see, it is dark and it is turned on. Now we'll use this phone to put some light on it, and it turns off, as you see. Boom. So now I will also, and it turns back on. And if I go on the serial monitor settings, as you see, it reads 890, 890, so almost around 900 right now. So I guess I could increase my cutoff value too, a little bit, but that is in darkness. So what that shows us is that when the darker the room, the higher the cutoff. The higher the sensor values are going to be. Now when I put the light on it, the values immediately drop. The values are about 214, 210. Now when I increase it again, it's at 800. So the more ambient light, the lower the sensor values. The higher the the darker the room, the lower the ambient light, the higher the sensor values, and the higher the ambient light, the lower the sensor values. So that is my project. This is again circuit, and that is it. It's working, fully functional. Take it off, it turns on. Put it turns off, turns on, off, on. And again, to show it works, off, and then on, off, and then on. So yeah, that was my project, and I hope you liked it.